Guess what I got asked? Yep, the classic "what's the deal with this idiom?" Out of one's league. I will explain it, and you've got it covered today. Let's start with a story. Imagine someone asking out a celebrity. That person is out of their league because they are unlikely to say yes. But the idiom can also refer to someone who is not on the same level in terms of skills, intelligence, or social status. Out of one's league means that someone or something is not within your reach or ability. It can refer to a person, a job, or a situation. It's often used to describe a romantic interest that is too attractive or successful for the person interested. To remember the meaning, think of a sports team. The best players are in the first league, and the less skilled players are in the lower leagues. If someone is out of your league, they are in a higher league than you. Once there was a shy guy who fell in love with a famous actress. He knew she was out of his league, but he couldn't help but dream. One day, he decided to approach her and ask her out. She politely declined, and he realized that she was indeed out of his league. Fun fact 1: the idiom originated in baseball. The highest level of competition is the major league, and the lower levels are the minor leagues. Fun fact 2: the idiom is also used in business to describe a company that is too big to compete with. I asked her out, but she's out of my league. This sentence means that the person is interested in someone who is not likely to reciprocate their feelings because they are too attractive or successful. Original sentence: I can't believe he asked her out. She's totally out of his league. Rephrase: she's too good for him. She's too successful for him. A friend of mine once tried to ask out a famous singer. He knew it was a long shot, but he decided to give it a try. She politely declined, and he realized that she was out of his league. Similar expressions include "in a different league" and "above one's pay grade." Opposite expressions include "on the same wavelength" and "in one's comfort zone." Related idioms include "a league of their own" and "play ball." Quiz time. What does out of one's league mean? A. Someone who is too attractive. B. Someone who is not within your reach or ability. C. Someone who is on the same level as you. Answer B. It means that someone or something is not within your reach or ability. In summary, out of one's league means that someone or something is not within your reach or ability. Remember, it's often used to describe a romantic interest that is too attractive or successful for the person interested. Try using it in a sentence today.